Wow. If you've seen the video up until this point, I believe that you already have basic understanding of how the Forex market works. Now, guess what? This is just basic training. There are a ton of information out there that you can go, that you should go and learn more to understand more and become better at Forex trading. This series just gives you the basics, and I hope you understand it now, what Forex is. Right. Now, in closing, something I'm going to talk about is the psychology of trading. Now, trading, in as much as it's very technical, it still boils down to you as an individual. When people talk about Forex psychology, it is very important because these are the things that will make you either successful or not successful. There are people today that understand the charts. They know how to analyze the market. They know everything, but they're not profitable because why? Their emotions are not yet in check. And believe me, Forex will test your emotions. This thing called Forex, it will test your every and very last emotion. Trust me. So now here's the thing, right? When it comes to emotion, 3 things that I would say you need to really get, master to be successful in Forex. The first one is patience. Now, patience in the sense that you need to understand that the market is not going to be favorable every time. You cannot trade every time. So there are times when you can trade and not trade. You have to be able to wait to see your setups, to see what you understand before you start trading. That is called patience. And it sounds easy, but a lot of people do not have that. Even people that have been trading for years, it's difficult to control their patience. Second thing is greed. Greed is so, it's funny, but when you start trading, you understand that you think you are not greedy until you start trading. You know if you are greedy or not. Because at times, the market will give you money, and then instead of to take it, you're like, let's give me more, and then you end up losing all. At times, because of the amount of money you think you can make, you increase your lot sizes to something that is not proportionate to your account, and then you lose money. Greed is a very serious factor in Forex that you need to overcome. Another thing that is very common among traders is fear, and that is the fear of losing money. I'm going to be honest with you. In your trading journey, there will be times where you're going to take losses. It's part of the game. But if you understand how to trade, like I said in this video, understanding stop losses and take profits and all that, you would not be scared. You know that, okay, even though I lose this trade, I would win the next. I would profit from the next one, right? So fear is something that keeps a lot of traders from being profitable. And there are other ones, but these 3, I'm just going to highlight these 3 because they are the most important ones that I have seen. And I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed this series. Ask me questions, type your questions, and let's go. See you guys on the other side of profitable trading. Peace out.